Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down and tap on Haptic Vibration. Then click on this switcher next to Haptic Vibration feature to switch it off or on. If you decided to enable it, you can even adjust intensity by operating this vibration feedback slider. When you're done, go back, click on Vibrate Vocals and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Always vibrate or never vibrate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!